Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It is your girl Chanelle Novosey and welcome to my home. I'm going to be showing you today how I set up and decorate my Christmas tree. As you can see, the theme for my living room is silver and white with a pop of pink, and so that's what my Christmas tree is going to look like. I got some really amazing deals and some really awesome decor to go on it, so I wanted to show that to you guys. I'm also going to be showing you how to make a wreath to go around your door. Mine's going to be white and silver as well. Going to be a lot of glam going on. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it, so stay tuned for that. But first, before we get started, I want to show you this amazing humidifier that I got from Wreath recently. They sent this over to me, so I want to give you a little bit of specs about this, and I want to say thank you Wreath so much for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get into the deets of this, and I'll show you how I set up my home for Christmas. Let's get started. So first I'm going to fill up my humidifier with some water. It is recommended to use filtered or purified water. That way you won't have the cloudiness around your humidifier. So I'm just going to remove the base and add the water. Now this can hold up to 1.5 gallons of water. And there's a nice little handle right here. I'll just lift it up and add it back to the humidifier. So the humidifier comes with this remote as well, which has all of the functions on it. You have your power, your auto button, warm mist, as well as your timer, your set humidity, as well as your mist levels. So I'm going to show you how I function this. I am loving this humidifier, you guys. This is awesome. When you have the heat on and you want to make sure your home still holds that moisture, this does the job. I love that it has two spouts right at the top so that your humidity can go whichever way that you want it to. It doesn't have to go just one way, which is a really cool function. So let me talk about the buttons on the front of the humidifier. So you have your auto button. I typically leave mine in auto mode so it can automatically detect the humidity and how much mist needs to come into my home. Next to that you have the warm mist button, and that is awesome because it allows you to have a warm mist coming into your home instead of a cool mist, which can make it a little bit cold sometimes. It depends on, the environment and what season it is of the year. Next you have your timer button, which allows you to set a timer for up to 12 hours. Next to that you have your set humidity button, and you can set your percentages of your humidity. I believe that the normal range is from 55 to 68%. Also next to that you have your mist levels. So there's mist levels 1, 2, and 3. You can control that by hitting the mist level button once to be on level 1, 2 times for level 2, and of course 3 times for level 3, and then you have your power button. So my favorite feature about this humidifier is that it has an aroma box right on the side of the humidifier. You just pull it out and it has a little pad right in the inside of here, and you add essential oils to this aroma box and you place it right back into your humidifier, and it will add those essential oils to your humidifier and let them come out, and it will have a beautiful smell in your home. I thought that was genius, and I am loving this humidifier. Be sure to check out the description box for a link over to Wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and get the tree set up, add the decorations. If you have any questions, please comment below, and also I'll have everything I'm going to be using in a description box. I know I'm a little late with setting up my Christmas tree. It's about 2 weeks until Christmas, maybe even less than that, but better late than never. If you are new to my channel, I am Chanelle Novosey. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. I'm going to go ahead and get this tree set up and decorated as well, and let you guys see that journey. Here's what the tree will look like once I fully assembled it. I like how full it is. I'm quite shocked. I thought it wasn't going to be so full since it was kind of a cheap tree, but I'm really pleased with it. Despite losing 3 of the branches that fell off while I was assembling it, and quite a bit of it fell on the ground, but not like a whole lot that it was like, oh my gosh, I mean, it happens when you're setting trees up. But I'm really pleased at how full this tree is. As far as the height, I'm not displeased with that either. I think it still is a very decent height for my space or whatever. So I'm going to push this against the wall and get to decorating. I hope you are enjoying this video. So first I'll be adding my lights. I got these mini lights from Hobby Lobby, $3.99 each, and they were 50% off. So they are clear lights and they have white wiring with them, which is perfect to go with the white tree. I'm gonna add these on first. I'm not too sure if this is enough. I may go back and get more. I'm gonna use the 2 packs that I have, but just looking at how short this is, it's probably not gonna be enough to fully go around and be fully lit, but that's okay. I'm gonna use the 2 that I have. So yeah, as you can see, I don't have enough lights to go around the full tree. I'm gonna head to the store after this video and get more, but I'm still gonna go ahead and fully decorate the tree and add the lights later. Yeah. So next I'll be adding some silver tinsel garland. It's 15 feet, so it should be enough to cover all of the tree, hopefully. And I got this from Walmart. It was $3.58. So yeah, I don't have enough tinsel garland to go all the way around the tree as well, so I'm gonna add that to the shopping list as well. Yeah. So next I'm gonna be adding my ornaments. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were $19.99 originally, and all Christmas decor is 50% off. So I'm gonna be adding all of these. Hopefully it should be more than enough. I'm also gonna be using these ornament hooks that I got from Walmart. They're 98 cents each. I believe you can get these from Dollar Tree as well. So I'm gonna add these next. So next I'm going to go ahead and add my tree topper. I got this from Walmart. It was $8.98. It's a silver star and it does light up, so I'm going to take an extension cord and hook it up. So what you'll do is you'll take this little plastic part and you'll take one point on the star and press it inside of here without breaking it. And what I like to do is bend the top of the tree to make it double, to make sure that it doesn't fall over, and add your tree topper. So lastly, I'm gonna add these beautiful snowflakes that I got from Joann's. They were 99 cents each, but they had a doorbuster sale, so they were 70% off. So I have these little bowls that I got from Joann's as well with the doorbuster sales. They were $1.99 each. I only have 4 in total, but I'm gonna add them sporadically onto my tree. So lastly, I'm going to be adding a tree skirt that I got from Michael's, and it was $1.99, $2.99, $3.99. And lastly, I'm going to add this tree skirt to my tree. I got this from Walmart. It was $3.98. It's just regular, like felt, like cotton or whatever. And I'm just going to add it right on the bottom. It doesn't have any designs or anything like that. It's supposed to like look like snow, so I'm going to add this. So lastly, I'm going to add these beautifully wrapped Chanel gift boxes. I did make these for Christmas. They don't have anything inside of them. I'm going to add these to the bottom of my Christmas tree. So just pretend that all of the lights and all of the tinsel garlands are on there. Don't worry, I'll get more. And if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I will have a full picture of what the Christmas tree looked like. But here's what it turned out looking like. I love this. It is so beautiful. But here's a full view of the Christmas tree. Alright, so lastly, I'm going to be taking these big, huge silver glitter bowls that I got from Joann's as well. They were $4.99 originally, 70% off doorbuster sale. And I'm going to add them to the sides of the fireplace. I'm going to be using these glue dots that I got from the Dollar Tree to place them on there. I know what you're thinking, that's not strong enough, but don't underestimate the power of a glue dot. They are very strong, and if it falls down, I'll add more, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add these to the fireplace. So I placed 3 glue dots on the back of my bow. These are really strong. I'm going to go ahead and press it into the side of the fireplace. So bright, it looks so cute. You guys like it? I absolutely love it. Yes. come through glitter. That was perfect. Next, I'm gonna go ahead, take you to my studio and show you how to make a glamorous wreath using simple products. And I did get these from Joann's doorbusters as well. Just gonna add some ornaments and some bows. It's gonna be really simple but fun. So follow me over to the studio. Okay loves, and we are back in the studio, and I'm going to show you quick how to arrange a wreath to go inside of your home or outside of your door. It's going to be really simple. I got my wreath from Joann's, another doorbuster sale. This was originally $14.99. So I got some more picks. As you guys saw on the Christmas tree, I used some of the snowflake picks. These ones are a little bit more flamboyant. So these picks are, again, doorbuster sales. Most of them range from $3.99. I believe some of them are $2.99, and they were 70% off. I caught such a good deal. I wanted to add them to my wreath, and I'm going to finish it off by adding this silver bow. As you guys saw, I put these on the fireplace. This is what they look like up close. These are quite big. These were $4.99 originally, and they were 70% off as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to quick arrange a wreath to go on your door. So first, I'm simply just going to fluff out my wreath to make sure there's no gaps. So after you've went ahead and you fluffed it out, next I'm going to add my picks. So next I'm going to go ahead and take my big bow, and it does have a twisty on the back of it, and I'm going to secure it down at the bottom of my wreath. So then I'll begin to add my picks to my wreath. This is one of them. I'm just going to add it right to the side and then wrap this wiring around the bar. And then to cover up anything that's showing, you're just going to push some of the branches right over it, and it will fit just like that. And here's the finished product. This is absolutely glamorous. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's DIY. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. And I just want to say thank you to all of my beautiful subscribers. You guys are the best. I love reading your comments. I love responding back to you all. I really do feel like I have the best subscribers on YouTube. You guys are loyal, and I really appreciate your patience in everything that I do. Hope you all are having a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. I'll see you all really soon in another DIY. Have a good one. Bye.